So the first thing we have to recognize is that to solve the climate crisis, we have to pay attention to our buildings. Buildings consume 40% of global energy. That places them at the center of the problem, but then also at the center of the solution. One of the big challenges is, how do you quantify the health and climate benefits of the decisions you make in your buildings?
Basically, what CoBE tool does is that it quantifies climate impact or co-benefits as a result of less greenhouse gas emissions into the atmosphere, and also what's the health co-benefits as a result of less air pollutants into the atmosphere.
One of the things that CoBE can do is calculate what some people call the social return on investment. You can put in dollar terms the social benefits in terms of climate impacts avoided and air pollution impacts avoided, and then use that to calculate a full return on investment for yourself and a social return on investment for society as a whole.
This becomes quantifiable, it becomes investable, and it allows for these comparisons so we can know we're not just saving energy, but we're actually saving lives.
Another feature of the CoBE tool is policy benchmarking. So the tool can benchmark the performance of buildings against certain policies that have set emission intensity caps for buildings of different types.
Policymakers can get use out of CoBE by using it to evaluate the effectiveness of the policies that they propose. On top of that, since CoBE is open to the public, smaller cities, smaller towns, they have the ability to use this as well to evaluate the effectiveness of their own policies that they might propose.
Traditionally, we've had to look backwards in time and say, what was the benefit of my intervention over the past 10 years? But you're not able to act on that. With CoBE, you're able to say, what happens if I act now? What is the benefit in 2025? What is the benefit in 2030? And what is the benefit out to 2050? It actually becomes a decision-making tool. Then you can use the tool to benchmark against other buildings in your city or region. You can benchmark against other buildings in your portfolio, and you can benchmark your building performance against other local laws that are targeted towards building energy efficiency with a new lens, with a health lens, so that a building owner, a portfolio owner, an investor, a policymaker can take that information and understand exactly how decisions we make regarding energy in buildings are influencing public health largely. It's adding the important and critical health and climate lens into the conversations around energy efficiency in buildings.